Hello everyone, this is Midwest Washing Equipment with a quick overview on our Cyclone Plus PW truck skid. This is our full-size truck skid, meaning it sits on a 48-inch wide platform, 60 inches long. It is standard with a 100-gallon water tank, 55-gallon bleach tank, and two 7-gallon surfactant tanks. The pressure washer is a GX 390 Honda electric start. Electric start is standard. It's gear drive. Gives you 5.5 gallons a minute, 3,000 PSI. Our high pressure hose reel, 200 feet of high pressure hose on the bottom. Aluminum frame, stainless steel internals on the hose reel. On the passenger side shelf, we have 200 feet of water supply hose. Inlet strainer that goes to a float to shut the water off, stop the water when the tank is full. 200 feet of soft wash hose, stainless steel quick connect. The soft wash pump is a Rimco 7-gallon a minute, 100 PSI, on demand. We have a heavy duty waterproof on off switch, onboard no-code 10 amp charger for charging your battery. Hydro mixer V4 with dual soap valves, soap 1, soap 2, 3/4 inch high flow with our flush valve to flush out the bleach valve on the hydro mixer. Again, this sits on a 48-inch wide platform, 60-inch long truck skid. This is a full soft wash and pressure wash system. Give us a call at 317-390-4103 or on the internet, www.washingequip.com. Thanks for watching.